First thing, let's just touch on Doge. Everybody knows why Doge is rallying, of course, because of the great Elon. This is kind of my uptrend. I expected this 5 to get hit. It didn't get hit. We kind of went to here. I think it could be the end of the wave. It looks like we're getting a breakdown. But we're still within my uptrending parallel channel. So we'll see what happens. I'm not going to write this off until I see a breakdown. There's potential that we could break up right here. Here, this can break through. Could just be consolidating. And we do one last leg up all the way up to 17 or even 20. So be aware that that is a possible situation. If not, we'll break down and just dump. I don't know if anybody's heard, but Binance made the like blue Twitter index or something, and they added 3 things: BNB, Doge, and a coin called Mask. I don't know why they added this coin called Mask, but I think they just made the announcement like 2 days ago, a day or 2 ago. But look at Mask. I want to show this to you guys. Mask USDT. Look at Mask. Let's go to a daily chart. Look at this daily chart. Why would this random coin suddenly rally? Doesn't make any sense. And why would Binance announce it right around this time? Like right after all the altcoins started rallying. Maybe it's because 1, they don't want it to look like there's any insider trading, even though there obviously is. And 2, they want to be on the same schedule as Elon, even though maybe they knew earlier that he was going to get Twitter regardless. My point is that this started going up and volume significantly increased. Look at volume. It was literally nothing. There's been no volume on this ever. Basically never. And then look what happened with the volume here. Okay, somebody obviously found out on October 29th and bought with a shit ton of money. So what I'm trying to tell you here is no matter what happens anywhere in crypto, if a coin has a certain level of market cap, especially a lower one, like Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff, I like trading those because even if people get insider information, almost nobody has enough money to really move the needle. But something like this and the majority of lower cap coins, when people find out, it shows on the chart. And the point of me saying all this is so you know, I think most of you already know, is that somebody somewhere is insider trading and knows before anybody in the public knows. So somebody in Binance knew for sure that this was happening. Maybe the engineers putting it in the system and stuff, they told somebody else, and that somebody else told somebody else. And then before you knew it, tons of people with millions of dollars are buying. And trust me, they have millions of dollars because they definitely made it during the bull run if they're connected to someone in Binance. It's not hard. So just, I think it was important. It's important to look at this chart and understand that the announcement was made here. Okay, when Mask was already $2. But for a month, Mask was under $1. So anyone that bought in here did a 5x. But if you bought here, and if you bought after this is the announcement, right? The announcement is basically here, right here. So let's say you heard the announcement and you bought it, and then you got in at $3, maybe $3 if you're lucky. Was it even, let me see how much time you actually had. Let's go to a 5 minute, because these can be deceiving. Look at this. Okay, so here's the announcement down here. How much time did you have? From the time the announcement came out, within 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, you're already at $3. And then an hour later, hour and a half, 2 hours later, you're at 4. Double. So you would have had to have seen it in like 30 minutes in the email. And I think it only went out in emails. I don't even know when it went out. It could have went out after this. Who knows? But the point is that down here, insiders knew. So just understand that in crypto, somebody always knows. This is probably when the decision was made. Decision was made probably back here. And then people started buying that insiders, and then some bigger insiders found out, and that's how they pushed it up even more. And then we leveled out, and then the actual announcement came out right here. And this is where, distribution is now starting to happen, especially up here below above 5. Everyone that bought back at $1 has done a 5x. So they're just distributing to retail now here. And this is kind of how things happen. So just understand that. And that's also why I don't like these little shit coins, because I know what's going on.